which has a proportional relationship between x and y with the ratio of 5/10 to 3. So the 5/10 is your x, and your 3 is your y. Now if you notice on these, only one starts with 5/10 and 3. We know that one works, but the others already start with something different. So I'm going to try a different strategy this time. I'm going to go ahead and make a table. So my x and y table. Now remember, I can skip count if I use every one, or else I can just find a multiplication or division. So I have a simplified first, so I'm going to start with that, 0.5 to 3. So in this one, I'm just going to go ahead and skip count. So this is a half to 1, 1.5 to 2, 2.5 to 3. Okay, because we can extend it further if we need it. Over here, we're going to count by threes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. So if you're multiplying, this would be your times 2 row. This is your times 3 row, times 4 row, times 5 row, and times 6 row. So 0.5 times 2.5, I'm sorry, times 5 is 2.5, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to look over here. First we have 1 to 3. This is 1 to 6, so this does not match our table. Here is 1 to 6. We have 1 to 6 over here, so that matches. 2 to 9. We have 2 to 12, so that's one's not going to match. On C, we have 1 to 6, so 1 to 6, that matches. 2 to 12, 2 to 12, and 3 to 18, 3 to 18. So those match. C is our answer.